Meaning of facet.
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 Facet. The word facet refers to a particular aspect or feature of something. It is often used in the context of describing the various sides or angles of a complex object or concept. For example, a diamond has many facets that reflect light in different ways. In a broader sense, a person's personality can be said to have many facets, or dimensions, that make up their overall character. Understanding the facets of something generally involves breaking it down into smaller, more manageable components so that it can be better understood and analyzed.